I know that you propose some solutions, but, some people just ask, like, why not just an absolute ban? And yes, that runs into some problems legally. You don't want to hamper the freedoms, the individual freedoms of lawmakers just because they're in that position. But that said, corruption always finds a way. You've done decades of research on that. Corruption will always find a loophole. And if even we put a ban on insider trading for lawmakers, as some of these laws have tried to propose, the easiest way around it will be spouses, kids, cousins, whoever, brothers and sisters. We saw that with the Biden family. There's always going to be a way around it. So is there a solution that is actually watertight, or is it just, we just have to be more transparent? What's the solution?
Yeah, there's no silver bullet, but I think we ought to have a clear-cut case that elected officials and senior bureaucrats and their spouses are not allowed to trade individual stock. They're not allowed to get IPO shares of stock, with Nancy Pelosi has done a lot over the years. They're not allowed to trade options.
Yes.
All that they can do is buy broad index funds, which is basically a fund that buys the entire market, the NASDAQ or whatever. And they can have bond funds, large bond funds. Other than that, there is no trading. I don't think you can extend this ban to adult children, to cousins and nephews. And there's going to be no silver bullet, but at least we can make it tougher on these people. And okay, somebody's cousin get rich, but let's try to at least make it so people have confidence that our elected officials are not acting the way they are right now. And look, there's a lot of resistance from Republicans and Democrats to these reforms, but I think we can get it done if there's enough public pressure.